Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving, literally and figuratively, into the world of one of nature's jumpiest little wonders, frogs. Yup, those slimy, springy, sometimes loud little guys you've probably seen hopping around after it rains. But trust me, there's a lot more to frogs than just croaking and catching flies. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, frogs might just become your new favorite animals. So, let's get the basics out of the way. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they live part of their life in water and part on land. And they're part of the order Anura, which literally means without a tail. There are over 7,000 species of frogs found all over the world, except Antarctica, because, well, it's freezing. One of the coolest things about frogs, their life cycle. They start out as eggs, sometimes hundreds at a time, usually laid in water. Then they hatch into tadpoles, which are like little swimming jelly beans with tails and no legs. Over time, they grow legs, lose their tails, and boom, frog mode activated. Visual. Insert a time-lapse animation or video of a tadpole turning into a frog. Now let's talk about frog superpowers. Fact number 1. Frogs can breathe through their skin. Yup, you heard that right. Their skin is super thin and packed with blood vessels, so they can actually absorb oxygen straight from the air, or water, without needing to breathe through their lungs all the time. But there's a catch. They need to stay moist. That's why frogs are usually found in damp places. If they dry out, they're in serious trouble. Fact number 1. Frogs can breathe through their skin. Yup, you heard that right. Their skin is super thin and packed with blood vessels, so they can actually absorb oxygen straight from the air, or water, without needing to breathe through their lungs all the time. But there's a catch. They need to stay moist. That's why frogs are usually found in damp places. If they dry out, they're in serious trouble. Fact number 2. They're jump champions. Some frogs can leap over 20 times their body length in a single jump. That's like a human jumping over a school bus. The South African sharp-nosed frog holds the record, jumping more than 10 feet. Fact number 3, they've got freaky tongues. A frog's tongue is attached to the front of its mouth, not the back. So when it launches forward, it's like a sticky missile. Some frogs can snap their tongue out and back in under 0.07 of a second, faster than a blink. Still not impressed? Let's talk about colors and camouflage. Some frogs are masters of disguise, blending perfectly into leaves, tree bark, or even muddy puddles. Others are walking warning signs, like the poison dart frogs of Central and South America. Bright blues, yellows, and reds. Those colors scream, "Do not eat me," because their skin is toxic. In fact, just touching some of them can be dangerous. Indigenous people use their toxins on darts for hunting, hence the name. Now here's something you might not know. Fact number 4. Frogs have ears, but you can't see them. They don't have external ears like us, but they have a special membrane called the tympanum right behind their eyes. It picks up sound vibrations, and they hear both in air and underwater. Fact number 4. Frogs have ears, but you can't see them. They don't have external ears like us, but they have a special membrane called the tympanum right behind their eyes. It picks up sound vibrations, and they hear both in air and underwater. Fact number 5. Frogs are ecological superheroes. They eat tons of insects, like mosquitoes, and are food for a bunch of animals like birds, snakes, and fish. That makes them a vital part of the food web. But here's the not-so-fun part. Frogs are also in serious trouble. Around 1 in 3 species is threatened with extinction. Habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and a deadly fungus called chytrid have wiped out populations around the world. That's not just bad for frogs, it's bad for us. Frogs are what scientists call indicator species. If frogs are dying, it often means something is wrong with the environment. But there's hope. Conservation programs, habitat restoration, and breeding efforts are working to protect frog species. And you can help too. Avoid pesticides, support wetland preservation, and even build frog-friendly spaces if you have a garden. So next time you see a frog chilling by a pond or leaping across a trail, take a moment to appreciate just how amazing they are. From breathing through their skin to defending ecosystems around the globe, frogs are the little legends we didn't know we needed. Thanks for hopping along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders every week. And hey, drop your favorite frog fact in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild.